Happy Vlogmas Day 18, everybody. Welcome back to today's vlog. I am going to a cookie exchange later today with some of my friends to celebrate the holiday season. So that means we need to start baking some cookies. So today I am baking chocolate chip cookies, but not just any chocolate chips. We're gonna use 3 kinds of chocolate chips. We have white chocolate, we have some milk chocolate, and then we have dark chocolate. I almost feel like this is like ASMR with chocolate chips. So I have the cookies here on a cooling rack, and I think I'm gonna try them. The first one that I made, the first batch. Let's see how this goes, because it's my first time making them like this with 3 different kinds of chocolate. So I love when cookies are crispy but also chewy in the center. So here it goes. It's so good. So chocolatey. Hi, you ready to go to the cookie exchange?
Yeah.
Look at, these are the cookies I made this morning. Nice sweater.
Thank you.
Very nice, has snowman, all the patches. And then this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the crazy cat sweater I showed you guys in my Christmas sweater collection video. Yeah. Hey guys, we're home now from the cookie exchange. It was so much fun. I think I am in a crazy sugar coma. We ate so many cookies, we decorated a lot of cookies, and it was just so much fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Oh my gosh, we only have 1 week left until Christmas, which is so crazy, which means we only have 1 week of Vlogmas left. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have an awesome day. Bye guys.
But you, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas